Hey boys and girls, it's me, Farty One. Getting ready to, well, I'm working, whatever, half a day or whatever till 1 or 2 or something. Tomorrow, which would be the 4th Thursday, and then, don't mind me, I'm grubby. I chainsaw cut all day today, so there's the old JCB. We're trying to get this, well, we got some stone there, but it was pretty grubby. So this is the way we're going out with the trucks, and I'll show you here in a second. But so yeah, I've been cutting chainsaw. We have an area down there. It's just huge boulders and rocks and stuff. Timmy's down right now, so I could get it with that, but I don't want to put the big machine in there. The ground's real soft, and so he's on the other side of the road doing his thing. So, all right, let me see if I can. I think I gotta pause this. Okay, here we are. I'm back. This is this area all in here is all sunken. And, so we put rock in here. Obviously, we just put it in there. We ain't got a chance to run it in. We can run it in and grade it up a little bit better. So anyway, I'll show you what's going on here. This road is horrendous. The township don't have any dough, you know, and they don't want me to run in their tar and chip road back here, which is a piece of garbage to begin with. And whatever, there was a big dust over it. So I agreed to fix this road up. Still had to bond it. Still had to bond it for $6,000 a mile. And I'll probably have about $8,000 or $10,000 in it, fixing it so I can use it. But we've got quite a bit of stuff coming out over this, so. But this was all sunk in. You know, we put, I think, like 3 loads of stone in here. It was just a mess. I mean, it's, you know, it's not the best right now either because it ain't run in, but run it in and top dress it with, you know, some good stuff. But that's Mike Peachy's rig. He just got started. That's his landing we built. He's cable logging a little piece off for me. So, okay. So here we go down out of this thing. Get an idea of what this is like around here dealing with everybody. It's hard to do business in this state, it really is. We pay the taxes, we pay, you know, they wouldn't even let me bond the other road, and that's illegal as hell, but you know, you fight with them and you know how it goes. Make your life miserable. So, threaten to call the cops on you every 5 minutes. So this is the way they've routed us out. It adds about 10 miles to the haul, and it takes an hour to get in and out of here with the log trucks, because you gotta go slow. It's just rougher than hell. And, this was another piece of this mountain. I didn't log that. Another Dutch, Amish crew, Dutch crew's in there doing that. But right over this berm is, Nutsy said it was a Clarion River the other day. It was a mistake. It's actually the Allegheny. And we're up by Brady's Bend. But right over that knoll, it's about 1,250 feet down to the water. It's a hellacious, steep mountain on that side. This side's a little more gradual. And this goes down. There was an old coal mine down in there years ago. There's a huge spilly pile right there. I don't know if you can see it. Overburden pile. I think it was coming from a subterranean mine because it wasn't stripped. I don't know if you can see that down there. It is massive. Look at that. That's I believe that's all. I don't know if you can see it way down in there. See that gray pile right there? That grayish brown pile right there, and you can see over here. I mean, it's massive. These hills are big. I mean, that's a long way down to the bottom of that. I'd say we're probably, you know, if you shot a straight line, you're probably 500 feet to the bottom where the little run is. And they must have had a coal mine going in there or something. That's all overburden from it, I think. Either that, I don't think it was a strip, because it ain't stripped up through here. Whatever, it's just, wow. So anyway, here we go. Down, this is fun with the log trucks. Ooh, sorry. Let me hold it straight. I'm trying. Oh, man, it's brutal. This needs stone here. I thought they were going to do some of this today, but I guess they didn't get to it. Yeah, I'm going to have a pile of money in this road. There was no base here, you know, it's just a shithole, you know, just clay. And then they route trucks down here. And then, of course, it's up to me to buy it, you know what I mean? It's up to me to I thought they were going to stone all this today. I don't know what happened. I guess I got to take them by the hand and show them. Oh boy. Alright, whatever. So, here we go. Down, 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 down. Amish guys that were logging in here broke a gas line down in here and they didn't fix it. We didn't call anybody. We'll probably get blamed for that. You can smell it. It smells like natural gas down through here. And another hairpin turn, another switchback. Oh! I was gonna load up a load on one of the trucks. I'd like to do the tri-axle and jake it all the way down here. It'd make some racket. But anyway, so we're going to Bunyan. That'll be fun. Hopefully we'll see everybody, say hi. I want to bring a few t-shirts and hats, whatever I got left. I didn't make any up. I just don't have time to do that stuff. I mean, I don't care. I'll give a few away or something. I see some people that I deem worthy. But, Wade and them, they wanted to know if I wanted to sell there in a booth. I can't deal with that right now. But there's somebody's gas line or something. Unbelievable. Now we break that, we'll be the assholes of the world, you know. As you can see, this road is horrible. Yes, sir. Logging that there yonder mountain. Okay, now somebody's out here. What's this all about? Probably somebody gonna yell at me. I suppose. Boy. Something's caved in or something. Alright, I'll let you go.